How long is your lawsuit going to take if it involves a medical malpractice matter in New York? Would you like to learn the answer? Come join me, I'll tell you. Hi, I'm Jerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. The short answer is it's going to take a while. The longer answer is it could take anywhere from 2 to 3 years from start to finish. So let me give you an idea of what actually happens. After you come in and we determine that you have a valid and meritorious case, that can take a number of months to get an expert to go ahead and evaluate and do a thorough investigation. Once we determine that you have a valid and meritorious case, then and only then can we proceed forward with starting your lawsuit. Now what happens then? Well, we have to prepare some documents known as a summons and complaint. We have to take those documents, which literally are the allegations in the lawsuit, and now file them with the court. That's what actually starts the beginning of the lawsuit. Once we file those papers, now we have to take those documents and deliver them to the people that you have sued. Once we've delivered them to the people that you have sued, that's known as serving the papers, using somebody known as a process server. They actually take them and there's a method of delivering them to them. It's not simply dropping it in the mail and sending it off. There are legal requirements about how that has to be done. Well, their attorneys then have an opportunity to respond to the allegations. That's known as an answer. And that will start the litigation process and let the court know once we file another document known as a request for a preliminary conference order, or actually it's known as a notice of medical malpractice action. That's a trigger that sets up a scheduling conference with the court. And from the time that happens, now the court will have us come into the court system, come into court on a regular basis every couple of months, just to update them and let them know what's going on with the progress of the case. The court gives us a finite time schedule within which to take care of all the details involving the case. So why do I share this information with you? I share it with you just to give you a little bit of an insight and an understanding into what goes on in the litigation process here in the state of New York. And chances are, if your matter happened in New York and you have questions or concerns, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Jerry Oginski here in New York. Thanks for watching.